Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Warhammer Space Marine 2 game and I'm going to show you how can you easily change and recalibrate brightness. Let's get started. First we have to go into the settings tab, then we have to go into the video tab. Now we have to scroll a little down until we see brightness calibration. We have to click on it, and as you can see we can change our brightness. We can either reset to default one. Now we have to click next, and now we can change it. Change max brightness. Now we can reset to defaults too, and click next. Now we can change default brightness to lighter or darker, or reset to default. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.